In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a task in Todoist. Adding tasks is the core of using Todoist, and once you get comfortable with this, the rest of the app will feel much easier and more natural to use. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you step by step through creating a new task, and I'll also share some helpful tips so your to-do list stays organized and clear. First, open Todoist on your computer or in your browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation area with your inbox, today view, and any projects you've added. In this same area, look for the button that says Add Task. It's usually easy to spot and often marked with a plus icon. Go ahead and click on that Add Task button on the left side. As soon as you click it, Todoist will open a small task entry box or panel. This is where you'll enter the details of your new task. Start by typing a clear task name. Try to keep it specific and action-oriented so you instantly know what you need to do when you see it later. For example, instead of just typing work, you might type review weekly report or call client about project update. A clear task name saves you time and reduces confusion. Next, follow the on-screen prompts that appear around the task entry box. Todoist usually offers options to choose the project where the task belongs, set a due date, add a priority level, and sometimes even add labels or reminders depending on your plan. Take a moment to select the project so your task doesn't just sit in the default inbox. Assigning it to the right project keeps things neatly organized. Then, choose a due date if you know when the task should be done. You can pick a date from the calendar or type natural language like tomorrow, next Monday, or a specific date. Setting realistic due dates helps you manage your workload and prevents tasks from piling up. If you see an option to set priority, use it to highlight what's most important. Higher priority tasks will stand out in your list. You can also add a short description or note in the task details area if you need extra context, like links, quick instructions, or reminders for yourself. Once everything looks good, confirm or save the task using the button shown on screen, usually labeled Add Task or similar. Your new task will now appear in the chosen project or in your inbox. That's all there is to it. By clicking Add Task on the left side and following the on-screen prompts, you can quickly capture everything you need to remember and keep your day organized in Todoist.